Welcome back to Middlefield Custom Sawmill. Today on the sawmill we have a big oak log and my son James is here to saw with us.
It's me, James.
Here's the log we're cutting. This is a big red oak and as you can see it's a little rotty. Yeah, some of the outside wood is not so good, but there's some good wood still in it, so we're going to try and find that.
Pretty.
That's red oak. There is solid wood in there. So we'll get a 6-inch wide board out of that. I guess we'll just take a cut right off the top and then roll it.
All right.
So guess I'm cutting 1.125 again. Finish out this skid of stuff over here.
A little bit of, what was that, white oak on the skid already?
There's white oak, under that is black locust, and under that is, I don't remember. It's all oak and locust. Maybe red oak down on the bottom.
Well, we'll have red oak on the top too. So it's a red oak sandwich.
We'll just put it on the ground. Alright. I think I got it.
Much wider, nicer red there.
It's flat that way. And it's flat that way. See, I'm not hitting the sawdust. That's how you can tell if it's flat. It scrapes off nice and clean. Alright, I guess we have to roll this over. Yeah, release that one. Hang on, let me put this on here. Okay.
Good?
Yeah. Got it. Push up. Push up hard. Alright. You know what? It's so rotted.
It's going into
it's
it.
crushing in, yeah. All right, put the thing back on this end. Put it down lower than that. Yeah, that way.
There. Man, it's just going into the wood.
I know.
All right. There. And then get the other one?
Yeah, the other one, I'm gonna have to do this first. Oh, that was also what made it hard. I have the toe board up still.
Oh.
So we were rolling it on the toe board.
Is it level?
14. No, this end's a little high. So I have to let it down a little bit.
As you can see, we did a number on the log here from the toe board. Yeah.
It's not going down, it's on a knot.
Here.
That's it. All right. I guess we cut some more rod off.
I do like watching it though. And this is what you have to do if you don't have a sawdust disposal method.
Yeah.
Automated. You might think it's a termite mound. It is not. It is a wood miller mound. It just fell apart.
Makes it easier to move.
Alright, let's see this one. This one should be better.
This piece is trash. It can go on the forks.
Alright. I got it.
Yeah, I'll let you do it. We're gonna get a good sized cant out of this.
Now that I'm noticing it, this one doesn't have a thing on it either.
No. That one never has a thing on it.
Yeah. Look, it's kind of square. Do we even need the thing now? Probably not.
All right.
Will this give us any good board figure?
I don't know. It's too rotted to tell. No, it'll give us a bullseye. This might give us a little figure.
Can't get a good grip on it here. Alright.
Look at this. Good. All yours.
Thanks. You want this one on top of the one you're gonna
On the ground.
Yeah.
Edge. Ready?
Yep.
All right.
Oh, it cracked.
That's all right. We're gonna have to cut it down to 4 inches anyway. That one there.
Sorry for trying to kill you.
You weren't trying to kill me. You're just trying to spray my face with rotted wood. You almost got me. Push up on that.
Do you want to pull out?
Keep going. No, push up. All right, hold it. It's clean underneath. There we go.
Oh, you can see how cleanly where you want to cut it too. Nice.
Yeah. I guess we'll start there. There can be a heavy piece down the other end. I'll let you get that on the forks while I empty the sawdust.
Jesus Christ. All right.
A little heavy?
A little bit. There's no way. Go over here. Rest of it first. Didn't fall.
All right, I think if you want to scrape this off, I will get rid of all that scrap. I'll go throw that on the burn pile.
So we got a little bit of cracking here so far. That's not great. Looks pretty good until we get to the tapered out end. And you got more. There's rot here. Cut through that. It becomes a lot narrower of a board. So we've got some splitting here, and we've got some rot over here still. What's the plan? How wide are we going to make these boards?
All right, so the crack I want going horizontal.
All right.
Which I don't really see any big cracks. It's just a little end split. I got a crack here. Can't do anything about that. This whole piece is broke off right here. See?
Yeah.
So that's all right. We'll just cut them short when they dry. So I'm just going to start cutting boards.
All right.
1 inch thick. How big is this?
Tape measure.
Yeah. 9 by 9. That worked out nice. So we're getting 9-inch wide boards. 1 inch thick. We're going to get 8 of them.
All right.
This on the burn pile. While I set this up to be edged.
You can dry this out and make coasters.
I don't care. If you want coasters, make coasters. There's a lot of dust.
The shame we can't clean house this way.
Okay, so we added a layer and a half. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 boards out of that log. They're not half bad. And they're good red oak boards, which is awesome for trim. It's good stuff.
What else can they be used for
A little
besides
sawdust
trim?
on that. Trim, framework, woodwork in the house. A lot of things. Getting a real pallet built up here. This can't go as high as the last one because it's all oak. It's way too heavy. I got you. Ha ha.
Oh, wasp nest.
Yeah. One's out. One got out.
Yeah, we're just gonna back away from this.
Chicken.
Good day. Ultro is a spinning camera. Woo!